You clicked on this video for a reason, to learn the best way to farm rare items and steal a Brainrot. I got you, so stick with me through the full video because I'll show you the strategies that actually work. The biggest mistake most players make is treating every match the same. Rare items like corn sahur, or other seasonal drops spawn at specific points, but they're not guaranteed every time. The key is reducing competition. Public lobbies are chaos, and by the time you get there, someone else has already snagged it. That's why the fastest farming method is hopping into smaller lobbies or private servers with friends. This lets you cycle spawns without fighting half the server, so you can check the same loot points over and over. Items in Steal a Brainrot rotate each match, so the more runs you can squeeze in, the better your odds. Another overlooked trick: don't just sprint to the main objective. Rare items are often tucked into corners, side rooms, or random filler spots people ignore. Slowing down and checking those areas can make the difference between finding nothing and grabbing a rare. And here's a pro tip: if you're farming for hours, keep notes on which areas seem to drop specific items more often. Patterns do emerge, and veteran players swear by building their own spawn maps to speed things up. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.